Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share a simple day in my life. As you have seen, I just completed the puja and after that I'm having my hot water over here. As I was suffering from dandruff since few days, I started searching everywhere on YouTube and Google whether I could find a solution or not. So finally this is the remedy, and the best part which I thought was it is a homemade and natural remedy. So there were various products which I used previously but nothing happened. So this is not a problem which just started. It was with me since years, but the problem is getting worse day by day. For that reason I finally thought of using a natural remedy. So yeah, I just attached the clip.
Everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are good and your health is also fine. So this morning I received a parcel from Flipkart and I wanted to share it with you, but before that, as you all saw that I was making a home remedy, then I was using it. I just wanted to give you the review how it turned out. So basically, after I applied the remedy and I told you that I was keeping it for 15 minutes, after that I washed it because it is winter season. I cannot keep it for a long time, so that is the reason. So the first thing which came into my mind was it was definitely good. I don't know if any kind of limitations or exceptions are there or not. You should definitely consult a doctor before using all this, but I think it is a home remedy, so you can use it. Now for better understanding, after applying shampoo, when you apply a good conditioner, the way or the feeling which you get by applying it, after applying it, same feeling you are going to get. Mainly you are going to get a shiny and it would be soft, your hair would be soft and smooth. Okay, all the things which you need in your hair, same thing will be there. I can say that it is a supplement of a conditioner and you can use it on daily basis. Definitely you are going to consult a doctor before using anything. Maybe it is a homemade remedy or not, but you are going to definitely consult a doctor. Now coming to the parcels which I received from the Flipkart, I have already opened it. So the first one is like this is a red colored kurta. Okay, this is a red colored kurta and over here you can see there are striped kind of designs. So this is like this and there are three buttons which you can see like this, and in the neck portion there is a design. Okay, it's kind of weaving. Okay, it's not print, as you can see. It's a simple kind of kurta, daily purpose we can use it. And the sleeves are plain. This is kind of glass sleeves or 3/4 sleeves. Okay, I don't know, but the sleeves are like this and there are no designs or nothing. As I told you that it is a plain kurta. Okay, and the reason why I'm calling it kurta, not a top, just see over here, there is a slit on both the sides like this. Okay, so that is the reason I was asking, I mean I was telling it. So we have taken a trial. After that I am showing you that whether it's fitting properly. Okay, so next one which I have got, it's a chicken curry kurti. Okay, it comes in a set of palazzo and kurti. Kurti I am showing first. This is the one. Okay, the color you can see, actually I have seen so many, but this color I have not seen. I have seen black, white, but I have not seen in this color. So my mother thought that it would be perfect because the color is different, it's unique. Okay, chicken curry work is there, as you can see. I will be showing you. So this goes like this all over. See over here. Okay, next in the sleeves also same work is there. Just see, broad work. Now the sleeves are like this, as you can see, and at the back portion there is a design. At the back portion, this is the design. Okay, simple. See, okay, only this design is there, that's it. At the back, and in the front it is a broad design, chikankari kurti. Okay, and as I told you that it comes in a set, so that is the kurti, and definitely a inner has been provided, and the inner is in white color. So you can see over here, this is the thing. Okay, this is the palazzo, which you can see. Main thing which is there, highlighting portion, is this one, the end of the palazzo, the feet portion. See, here you can see this works are there and it's properly weaving. Okay, so that's it. That's what I ordered and I received from Flipkart. So yeah.
After having my tea, I came into the kitchen and saw my mother was preparing the lunch. So I just thought of sharing the recipe so that you can also try at your home and you can also enjoy the recipe. So first of all, we are boiling the moringa flowers properly. After that, we are heating up some cooking oil and adding cumin and a raw chili into it. After that, after some time, we are adding the vegetables, which is peas and the potato, and then we are going to cook it. Add salt and turmeric powder according to your taste. Then you can see the moringa flowers are properly boiled. Drain the excessive water and only put the moringa flowers into the pan. After that, you are going to mix it. Give a quick mix. After 5 minutes, when you see the vegetables are properly boiled, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of garam masala into it and we are going to mix it well. Then after 3 minutes, we are going to turn off the flame and serve it warm.
Guys, now the time is 3:30 p.m. and I'm just going to get ready because today we are going out, and for that reason, first of all, today I'm going to do a very basic makeup. So for that reason, I just washed my face with face wash. It's really important before doing any kind of makeup, but first of all, every day, every time we should keep our face clean. So for that reason, I have just washed before applying a makeup, and as I told you, I'm going to do a very quick and simple makeup today. So for that reason, first of all, I've washed my face with face wash. After that, I'm using this one. This is the moisturizer. This is Biotic Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer, and it's for all skin types. So this is the one. Okay, and this one I'm going to just apply on my face. I do not prefer a very heavy makeup, so all I'm just going to do is apply this one. No base makeup, no foundation, no concealer, nothing. Okay, because I don't prefer doing heavy makeup, or I don't apply too much makeup also. I don't like to do it, so that's the reason. So after that, I will apply this one. This is a eyeliner. Okay, I think in one of my video I've seen this one, this eyeliner. So this one I'm going to use today, and after that I'm just going to apply the mascara. So this is the mascara which I'm going to use. It's from Blue Heaven. Okay, this is the mascara, and simple lipstick. I'm going to end it up with a lipstick, and this is from Maybelline. Wait, this is the lipstick. Okay, So this is the lipstick. If you want to know, then I will just give you. Okay, let me tell me the name. So this is Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte, and the shade is in Red Serenade. Okay, Red Serenade, it is the shade. So that is the final look. So this is the top which I am going to wear, and the neck portion, which you can see, it's a broad design, and the sleeves portion is like this one. Okay, it was a birthday gift from my elder sister, and it's my favorite top. It looks so beautiful. The color is so beautiful. So yeah, time is running out. We cannot be late. I'm just going to tie my hair and I'm going to meet with you. So yeah.
So this is the best park in our town according to the overall ratings, and this is a lodge which I am showing right now. You can book it for any kind of occasion. Being situated amidst the river, it makes more attractive for its visitors, and this park is present in a large area with lots of facilities. You can spend quality time over here. So this park is really beautiful. I will be taking you along with me, and I will be arranging all the clips in this video. So hope I will not talk much. Hope you all will enjoy it. Well, there is a man-made pond in the middle of the park which gives you boating facilities and also enhances the beauty of the park. Coming on to the bestest part of the video, this is the first time I'm finding them inside the park, and this is the cutest experience. So that is all for the day. After 1 hour, we left the place and returned home. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and support me. Thank you so much for watching.